Hello guys, again we have a new unboxing. This is a Silvercrest wireless optical mouse with USB nano receiver. It is a plug and play. We have a battery included, 3 years warranty. Some pictures here. Inside there is a 2A battery, alkaline. CD. Included some drivers maybe you need. The manual, of course, if you want to read it. There is the mouse. This is a red and black glossy mouse. Okay. Small receiver. The mouse. It's a small edition mouse, not so big. We have the DPI button, we have a back and front page, some scrolling, the right button. This is for the batteries. Nice. There is no on-off switch, maybe it's understanding when to work. Here's a hole for the receiver. Nice. And let's try it, see how it works. Okay, we're going to plug it in. USB 3, plug it. See the indicator that it's recognized it. And there it is. It's working perfectly. This is for my lights. And we have the DPI. That was all. That was the unboxing and reviewing of this wireless Silvercrest optical mouse. This here is the LED. It's working perfectly now. Thank you for watching again, guys. Have a nice and lovely day. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. But definitely share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.